guys, what is up? I know this is not my channel, but for some reason, to me, it always sounds like I'm starting, like it's mine, but it's not. So, as you guys know, school is starting very soon, and so we went shopping, we found a new outfit, we have a whole bunch of videos that you guys can go on and watch. We can put them in the link below. So, I wanted to clean my room, just to have, like, just setting a goal to having it clean, like, all year. Sorry, my hand's really shaky right now, but because I just got my 2 shots for school, so my arm's like really shaky. Anyways, so I want to show you guys. So I like redecorated it after we redecorated it, so it might look a little crazy hectic. Hey, my play. So it might look like it's clean, but it very much is. So as you can start, I moved that. I used to have this thing right here. It used to be like my old doll, like, what's it called? Closet. It was like my doll's closet, but it was really nice to have like right there because it was just like almost like a table after that one. So I moved that and put almost like all my like church shoes inside it, and then I put all my shoes that I'm going to wear this school year down there. And so we have my shoes for school. Okay, I got these for my birthday, like 101, love them. And then I got this skirt. Like, come on, you have to tell me that that is not so cute. And then I got a shirt. It's really big, but a thing that me and my mom both do, and my dad sometimes, whenever we get like a longer shirt that we want more of like a tight look, we always like tuck it into our underwear. Sounds really weird, but it works so well. So I got that shirt. It's really silky. I got it from Walmart, and it's so soft. And then I got a jacket, like a nice Levi jacket for school. So I used to have all my church dresses right here, but then I changed it. I also got this one from Al's. It is so cute. It's like waterproof too. Sorry, I'm like giving you a tour of everything that I have. But so I put all my jackets right there, kept that. Like, that's like been there for like my entire childhood. I love that. So I put like clothes, and then I put like hoodies down below. And then you open up this closet, and you can see I have all my mom's dolls and toys and glasses. This was her when she was a kid. Focus. Oh my gosh, this camera is... Okay, nothing is broken. That scared me. That's scary. Okay, I just won't touch it anymore, but I will put it back up there so it's not like crazy. That was her as a little girl. So that was like all of her stuff. Sorry, Mom. And then that's like all my glass stuff that I painted, blah, blah, blah. Like stuff that I don't really use anymore. And then I put my church dresses. My mom does the same thing. You find your longest closet space and you hang all your church dresses, like jumpsuits, stuff like that. And so I put all my dresses there. My crafts are on the floor below it. And then I have my locker stuff. I do have a locker video of all the stuff that I have. It looks really little right now. But then I have like makeup, jewelry, stuff like that. And then like old like puzzles, coloring books, blah, blah, blah. Old sheet music for plays. And then I have like my hoodies. And then I have extra bags like full of doll clothes that I used to have when I was little. Just pretty much stuff like that. Oh, and then I have my books. You guys, look how cute this is. It's Little Women. It's like a miniature size. It's so small, but it's so cute. Calendar. My room. I have markers to write on that because pens and pencils do not work for some reason. So then I vacuumed everywhere, all over my floor, everywhere. And this took me like 2 days. It was really nice. Got everything from like under my bed because Lady loves to take things she's not supposed to chew on, so like hair clips or paper or toilet paper. She likes to get into the garbage can. And so she'll like take it under there and chew it up, and then I have to pick it up, and it's like far back there, like toward the end. So I have to like crawl under, no, sorry, I make Cody crawl under there and grab it for me because I can't do that. Then I have like all my Bath and Body Works, stuff like that. Picture of me and my mom. Old, one little toy that I used to have when I was a baby. Does anybody else do that? I love doing that. It's so cute. I have like my paintings, and then my yearbooks, my sewing machine, Lady's dog toys that aren't supposed to be there, stuff like that. So yeah, I just kind of cleaned up. So yeah, I don't know. We just, yeah, I want to show you guys.
You guys hot?
Yeah.
Ready for a little snack?
Yeah.
Oh, your guys' faces are so red. Oh my word, Joel, like the kids' faces are so red. Well, I brought Chick-fil-A. dirty.
It's got sunblock on it. Let's
Oh,
use this one.
okay. I got Boston a milkshake since he got his molar pulled yesterday.
You have to order it half full or?
Well, you know, it was melting and
Like 3/4
mommy
of it.
got thirsty. Come sit down right here, Bossy. We went to a fruit stand to get corn, and the lady was telling Lincoln, hey Boston, listen to this. The lady at the fruit stand was telling us that each little strand of hair is connected to a piece of, like a kernel, and that's what grows it and develops it, is the strand of hair. So like when the pollen and the water go on the end of that, it
Doesn't grow anymore.
pollinates each kernel. Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
Something like that. Yeah, we thought that was pretty cool, huh, Lincoln?
Mm-hmm.
Are you peeling that last one for me? Bossy, why don't you come out here and help him get all the...
I just saw Gun doing that, and that was his message.
No, I did not.
Bossy, come and grab the bags and let's get those all in the garbage. I want all those in the garbage can, and then Lincoln, you bring me the last ear of corn, okay? We're doing tomato sandwiches with bacon, avocado. I'm gonna do mine in a lettuce wrap. We've got our corn on the cob that's cooked. We've got our friends here for dinner. Want to say hi?
Don't mind the dirty sink in the background, but look at that restaurant style BL avocado tea. Oh, you got something on your face. A little corn.
Okay. And am I eating over the sink? Yeah.
Yeah, the kids commandeered the table with
It's fine.
other little friends. Cobs of corn.
Hey, Bossy. What did your friend say?
That you're a good cook?
Nobody can toast and salt and pepper like she can.
I know, I was like, meow.
Sway, so we were having a movie night, and then Tate came over. He had to do some stuff for the church. And then, yeah, Sway was already here. We had some dinner and stuff. So right now we're gonna pause the movie and go outside and play around since the tramp is dry. And oh really? Okay, who cares? We're trying to find the little remote so we can pause it and stuff. Anybody want ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, let's go get it. Whoa, we do have cookies and cream.
Oh yes, Cody, I specifically bought cookies and cream because I knew it was Cody's favorite. Do you need help? Show faces, like not just like, you know, like spoon. Yeah, he found a spoon. He found, okay,
Guys, I found a spoon.
good job.
Great accomplishment. Okay, us kids, we all use our teeth like crazy. Oh, thank you.
Because it works. You're welcome.
Yes, thank you very much.
Darling.
Okay, let's grab.
Get the cups.
The cups are big ones.
Get the big one. You guys want some? Here you go. Hey, no, just kidding.
Okay.
Wait, do what?
Actually, Cody, here you go.
I love these little baby spoons. I don't know why. What? They're awesome.
Oh, you
You should have
guys!
told us we had some.
Look, I gave you all to the top, and look what mine's are. Oh, you guys are so mean.
And Jill's like, are you ready for ice cream? I'm like, yeah, I guess so. I had one sandwich with the lettuce wrap, and then at the end I'm like, yeah, I think I need some bread. So, you know, we're doing really great around here. I mean, are we at least going to use small cups, or do you need like
I like the small cups the other night.
Okay. All right. What do you mean the other night? I didn't have any ice cream the other night.
Like long times ago.
Oh, long times ago, like my friend Wee says. Okay.
Lee says? Who says that?
No, it's not a TikTok. It's my dad's old work friend named Wee. He taught me how to say, is it itchy knees and Chico? I can't even say it loud enough because I'm scared that it's completely wrong. Anyway, it's been a day, and what you didn't see was Joel and I like fighting getting dinner ready because we were just like, it's been a day.
It's been a great day. We just kind of hung out.
Yeah, no.
We thought you thought it was
hung out. We did hang out in between all of the crap we were doing, and when I get a lot going on, when I have to think about a lot of things, my head starts getting like fogged. And so anyway, tomorrow I kind of set the day to be like a nothing day. So I'm gonna kind of take the day to relax, and I might make zucchini bread though. That will be fun because that will be relaxing. Okay, we're gonna close the vlog. I'm sorry if I'm tempting all of you at home with ice cream, but if you do get Tillamook ice cream, Tillamook chocolate peanut butter, it's delish. Just top them off, just top them off, just top them off. You know how I like it.
It doesn't count as a small cup if I put as much in.
Sure it does.